Hi, do you want to know all the techniques and skills you need to create your own amazing characters? Do you want to turn your character ideas into full, fleshed out characters with emotion and backstories? Are you intimidated by everything there is to know about character design like proportions, silhouettes and outfits? Then this is the course for you. We'll be going through all the necessary steps to create your dream character come true, including writing and brainstorming your character traits and personality, using gesture drawing to create dynamic poses, and creating a full 4-view turnaround for your character. You'll understand the fundamentals of character design to create interesting characters that people will fall in love with. All of this done step by step in an easy to follow process. My name is Patricia and I've been working as an illustrator and art teacher for many years now. I've worked as a freelance artist for dozens of clients, teach thousands of students about anatomy, color theory and many other art subjects, and have created different and fascinating characters throughout my entire life. All of this has given me the skills that I needed to do the illustration work that I've always loved to do. And I'm here to help you achieve your own art goals. If you're tired of courses that tell you what to do but don't actually show you the process, I'm here to tell you that this is not one of those courses. In this course, we'll be going through both theory and practical activities. In fact, if you follow this course from the beginning to the very end, you'll have your own amazing character completely drawn in several poses. Not only that, but this course comes with several resources to help you on your character artist journey, including downloadable reference sheets to help you with anatomy and proportions, to amazing websites that help you find the perfect color palette and reference images for your character. I'm sure that you will love this course. So, are you ready to start creating your own amazing characters? Then I'll see you in the next video.